Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel MSI Analytics. So in today's video, we are going to show you how you can change the number format in your table and matrix. So first of all, I am going to create a simple table and I am going to work with 4 columns, which are subcategory, sales, profit and quantity. So after dragging all 4 columns, I'll just increase the size of the visual so it is more visible. And now as you can see that our profit column has some decimal places. So now let's change it to whole number. For that I'm going to select this column from here. And as soon as I will select this column, it is going to show me the column tools option. So here I am going to come in data type and change it from decimal number to whole number. It will ask me if I want to continue with this. I'll select yes. And now all of our numbers are in whole number. Now let's learn how you can also put million, billion and thousands in your visual format. So for that I'm going to go in format your visual option. After that I'm going to go in specific column, and now let's say I'm going to work with sales column. So I'll select sales, and for display units I'm going to select thousands. So now it is showing me all the values in thousands. I'll do the same for the profit column. Now as we can see that it is showing me the profit column in decimal numbers again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it to 0. And now it is in whole number again. I'm going to do the same for the quantity column. So that's how I change the number formats in the table. You're going to follow the same steps for the matrix. Let me just show you. I'll just simply select matrix from here. And now our visual is in the form of a matrix. I'll just simply take region and put it in columns. And here we have our matrix ready. So it is showing me all the subcategories for each region. So for the accessory subcategory, I have African region where I can see the sales, profit and quantity. You can do this number formatting according to your report's need. And I hope you learned something new in this video. Give us your feedback below in the comments. See you in the next video.